Hi there, let's see how you can generate Google search ad copies using WriteMe.ai. Step 1. WriteMe supports 30+ different languages. Select language for output text from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Tap on the Select Tone option to open a drop-down list of 10+ writing tones. Pick your preferred writing tone from the drop-down. Step 3. Tap on the Choose Use Case option. Pick Google Search Ads from the drop-down list containing 25+ different use cases. Step 4. Input some relevant information such as keywords, phrases, main context, titles, and goal of Google Ads. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it, your Google ad copies are all set to launch. You can keep generating different content variants using the line suggestions till you are happy with the final result.